Transforming this room from carpet to flooring. So the first thing I did, I went ahead and removed the baseboard. I felt like this would just make the process easier, and it was also easier to get the carpet out. The carpet removal is definitely the hardest part of this process. It is so easy to install the laminate flooring. It's simple as laying down this underlayment, right? Getting it down. I use like this moisture sound barrier one. And then once I got that in, you just start installing the laminate flooring. So the first thing I did, I started by installing 3 rows away from the wall. As I'm laying down the planks, I'm making sure I'm staggering it out, and it creates a consistency. So most of the boards were cut the same way, and I was able to do that very easily. Once I have the 3 rows, I pushed it against the wall and added the spacers. Definitely get the laminate kit, flooring kit from Home Depot or Lowe's, and it does help you use the spacers because the board will expand as the room temperature changes. But it's definitely super easy, guys. As you see, it's a tongue and groove method here for the laminate floor. Easy to do. So if you're thinking about doing this project, go ahead. You got this, sis. You could do it. So easy. It took me like 90 minutes to do this 13 by 8 room.